Hi, what going goodies? Today I'm going to be making some Rice Krispie treats, and these you can use at any event, your birthday party, baby shower. It doesn't matter what event you are keeping, these Rice Krispie treats goes well. So first, as you can see, I have my Rice Krispie, my chocolate mold, and I already cleaned my mold with some rum. So you can use Campari, white rum, it doesn't matter, with a piece of napkin, just to make sure that your mold is clean. They don't have any furs or anything, any foreign stuff in your mold. All right, so I'm using these Rice Krispies because they fit better in the cavity of my mold. So I'm using these ones, so 22 gram, and this is the box, and 8 bars comes in each box. I put it on the tray so that I don't have to keep moving the molds, and I'm using white candy melts for these Rice Krispies, and I'm going to decorate them, of course, so you can stick around to see the decoration. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to melt the chocolate. I'm going to melt the chocolate in the microwave. I'm doing 30 seconds intervals. Make sure you do 30 seconds, mix the chocolate 30 seconds again, because you don't want the chocolate to burn. Okay, so what I normally do, I normally add a little bit of vegetable oil or coconut oil to my chocolate when I'm melting, so I can give it the consistency that I'm looking for, just to thin it out a little bit. So what I normally do, I normally press down on the Rice Krispies just to make sure that they are flat enough and they can hold into my mold perfectly. So here I'm adding the coconut oil, and I'm using the Grace coconut oil. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave now. So now I'm getting it nice and thin and smooth. Just continue mixing until all of that chocolate is melted. So we have a nice consistency, as you can see here. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna fill up our molds. You wanna add a generous amount in the bottom so that our Rice Krispies they are nicely covered at the bottom, and they're not peeking through. If it's too thin, it's gonna peek through. Okay, and you want to get the sides with some chocolate as well. So we fill up all the molds, we're gonna fill up everything, and we're gonna pop them in the fridge for about 3 to 5 minutes so we can get the bottom layer all hardened up. Just give it a tap just to get everything nice and smooth. So I removed them from the fridge and they're all frozen up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just add my Rice Krispies. You want to center them. There we go. And then I'm just going to fill up the cavity with my candy melts, and I did put it in a piping bag because it's easier to fill them up without messing anything up. So now I'm just going to fill these up. Okay, so now we're gonna pop this back into the fridge, and then we're gonna take them out and clean them up and decorate. Okay, so we took them out of the fridge. And now we are going to remove them from the mold. You just pull back the mold like so. And we get nice, beautiful. So all we're gonna do now, we're gonna trim up the sides. So remove all of them. I'm just going to use my scissors just to trim up the sides and nice them up, and then we are coming back to decorate these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be adding them to these little trays right here, and I'm going to design them and add them to these. Okay, so I have some green candy melts and I just put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to snip a little piece of the ends just to get my drizzle out, and I'm going to drizzle these, and I'm going to add some coarse sanding sugar. You want to make sure you put on your sanding sugar as soon as your drizzle goes on so it does not dry up. Okay, so my drizzle is on, so now I'm going to add my sanding sugar. So after I finish applying my decorations, I just put them in these small bags that I got off of Amazon. Let me know what you think about these Rice Krispy treats. If you will be trying them, leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel as yet, please do so. God bless you.